So hi, hello, and welcome to How-To-Posting-Tools.com. Today I'm going to show you how the Kijiji auto-poster works. So basically, you will get this software from How-To-Posting-Tools.com, which has many modules, like for Twitter, for YouTube, for e-commerce, for posting, in this case, post on Craigslist, Facebook, Backpage, Kijiji, and YouTube. So we're going to be showing you these different modules on our videos, but today we're going to show you the Kijiji auto posting software. So you click on this, and this is going to open up. Now, before you open the whole software or whatever, this is just to show you what it is. Before you open that, you have to go onto the software download of your files, and then you go to the support files, and then you go to run this one. So run this to make Internet Explorer 6 to render as Internet Explorer 11. So you double click on that, then you double click on this, and then you run it. And once you run it, basically you will be running as Internet Explorer 11. I'm just letting you know this because you might need it. If I already did it, so usually you do it one time, but if it has to be done again, just go back there and just do it again. So the Kijiji auto posting is just basically like Craigslist, but for Canada, basically are classified sites for eBay. So here we have our web browser. So the thing that we did before is for this part here for the run as Internet Explorer. It's so we can upload pictures onto the Kijiji. Now we're going to test that before we start posting because we want to upload pictures because whenever you upload ads, if they have pictures, usually they are more convincing. So you go here on the Kijiji posting section, which is going to open this up, and basically it's going to ask us to start putting one ad. So if I click on select, this is going to show up. So here I have this media, which is going to be the part where the pictures get uploaded. So I'm going to click on this, and it's going to open up. So here are some images that I downloaded before. So I'm just going to select one of them and click on open. This is going to upload the picture, and then the picture will be there. If you don't see the picture here, that means that something is wrong, and you either have to redo this Internet Explorer 6 as 11, or you had to change your user agent, which basically you can do by clicking this change user agent. So since I already did it, I don't have to do it again. But if you didn't do it, just do it, and that way it should work. Um, if you do the changes there, just close your program, open it again, and then you will be able to see this image uploaded. If you don't see it, then something is wrong and you have to fix it before you start posting. So since I already fixed this part, I just will close it, but it's working for me, so you should make sure that it works for you before you start posting. So that's basically just the things that you had to check before posting. Now that we checked it, we're going to start posting. So the first thing would be to create some ads. So I just will explain you what you have here on the top. On the top, you have here some like a tab to extract ads from Craigslist that we're going to be adding on our Kijiji like management, ads management. So we could just post those ads every time we want it. The next thing would be this section, which would be where our ads are, and like you could just spin the text of your ad and everything. The third section would be the web browser. With Kijiji, you will have to post the ads and then delete them, so you could post the ads again. So this is this section, and the section 5 is basically to generate some the files for this download. So I just will show you how it works pretty quick. So imagine that you have here Canada, and then you have here let's say Quebec. Then you have here the cities from Quebec, and then you can just put generate all cities, and this is going to generate to this specific section. So now here you have different section which we wanted to generate all the cities, and here if you wanted to look for a keyword for ads to extract, for example WordPress, and the geek section or on the job section or whatever, you just do that, and then you add all the cities, and that way you have all these, and then you can extract in the job section ads that are related to WordPress. Basically, I have already most of these things, but if you wanted to do something different, this is the place to do it. Now, regarding these things that we just did, I have a lot of files already with that information. So if you click on this thing on the button load, we're going to this is going to load the folder on here, and then you click on open, and this is going to show up. So just as before, we are going to do the computer section in this case, because that's like one of my main business. And basically, you could do the same thing for movers or for any kind of service. This is only for services for Kijiji. Now, this is basically these links are basically these links. So that's where I got them from. And now that you have this one has 514 different links. That means that it's 414 different cities that you can get ads about computers. So that's a lot, and probably in average it will be around 51,000 ads that you can extract from Craigslist. And basically the way it works is you have these different cities. You can select these and the link here will change, or you can just click select random and then it's going to select a random city. So anyway, I just would select any city there. I'm just going to click on get ads, and this is going to get my ads. This specific city, Cardiff, only had 3 ads, so I just would remove that, select a different city that has a lot of, more people. Okay, let's get that one. And this one has a lot of cities, so this one has 85 ads. Now, before we start doing this, basically, if we click on one of these, it's going to open up page, and basically this is Craigslist. And whenever you click on this Craigslist thing, if you click on just this ad, it's going to steal the ad for you. So you see, this is the information from that. Now, here you have some contact information that you can just basically copy and paste it here. But to have it fill out for you, what you have to do is you have to go to the second tab, and we're going to select a profile if you have one. If you don't have it, basically you would type one here. So Jose Garcia. Now the phone number, you type your phone number basically as normal. This is just a fake one just to show you how it works. And then this is the phone with spaces. So 5, 1, and then 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And this is obviously fake, but anyway. So this is my email at gmail.com. This is the email where I want them to answer. And basically this usually is the same email as that one. This is the Kijiji login information. So you put your email, and then you type your password, and then here you will put your postal code. In this case, if you don't put a postal code, then this thing is not going to work. And here you put your website. So you type it in. That's it. So now, once you have all this information, you save it. Once you save it, this is going to be in a profile. So if this ever, like whenever you want to post, you can just select this profile that you just created, click on show information, and everything will be profile for you. So you can just click login. So this will have multiple accounts. So if you want to change from one account to another, you select a different profile, you click show, and then you log in again. To remove the previous session, you just click on clear cookies, and then you log in on the account. This also allows you to change your proxy. So basically, if you have multiple accounts, it's going to be good for you to change your proxy, so Kijiji cannot track if you are logging in from the same computer. Now, basically that's just to show you how the profile section works. Once you have a profile, you come back to the Craigslist ad section, and then you can just go to one of the ads, for example, this one, or anyone. Like, you can just choose anything that you want there. I just want to choose one that I want to post right now. So, okay, this one looks good. So, if I wanted to post this ad, I click on use this ad. I'm going to come back here, and I'm going to remove everything that it's from here to the bottom, because this is like basically fake stuff and we don't want to put that. So we do that. Then we change the title, website graphic web. Mm, okay, so I just will call it website development. Development. Okay. So basically that's what it is, and then call me, and then you put your phone number 541234567. This is obviously a fake number, and basically if you remember, this is the information that we had on our on the section where we fill out the profiles. So if you wanted to use them to visit your website, you can just copy here and then visit me, visit my site, and then you just paste it there. And basically that's how it works. Now here we're going to choose an image for website development. So you type here website development, and then you click on the button search. This is going to search on Google, and then you just pick up one image, view image, and copy the URL, and come back and paste it into the software. So here you paste it, and basically that's your image. Now in case you wanted to upload your own images, you click on this button that's going to tell you to TinyPic. You upload your image, that's going to give you a URL with a PNG or what JPEG as extension, and you just add it there. Now this section, this right now only works in services, so it's because most people want to post on services, so we added that support. And then you're going to select the city that you want. If your city is not here, for example, if I choose Laval, this changed me my URL with the Laval section. If I choose Montreal, it's going to choose the Montreal section, and so on. So in case your city is not there, you click on Other, you erase this, and you put your URL there, and it should work. So I just will post from Montreal because that's where we're going to post, and then I'm going to post my postal code, 3 and 7. And here on the subcategory, you choose which category you want to post on. This Kijiji doesn't have for computers, so I'm going to post another. But if you have other services that are here, you just select the category that you want to post on. So I put others, and then I just click add to posting list, and then this will be added to the posting list. So the posting list basically will be this section. This is not saved on the database because we're going to be posting a lot. So we post and then we save the ads or whatever. So we will have to save the ads. So you put your name here and you put the ads. So ads today, whatever, and then this is going to browse. Then you save it on the desktop, and then you click on OK, and then you save this. So this you only save it once you have around 64 ads, so you will be posting every 10 minutes all day. So that way you have a lot of ads. In this case, this is just a test, so I'm just going to do it with one. But basically, when I click on Save Excel, it's going to save my Excel. So the reason I do the saving of my ads is because I want to post the same ads every day. So if I save my 64 ads and I click on Import Excel, then I click on Browse, and then I choose the desktop, and I choose my ads today, which will be my ads. This is going to show me the page for Excel, and then I can just click on Use these ads, and this is going to import my ads again. So this way I will have like a lot of ads already there. And right now what I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to duplicate this a few times, just to show you what I want to do with this. So you will have around 64 ads here. I'm just going to add like maybe 3 or 4, whatever. Once you have those, basically here is the information. They support spin text, so whenever you create your new ad, you can just put spin text, so the text is going to change every single time you post an ad. And basically, if you click on a spin text, the text will spin here, and then it will show you a different variation. So you can select the ad that you want, and then click on post the selected ad, and this is going to go and post the ad that you have chosen here. Now, this is good if you just want to post one ad. The ad from the list is going to disappear, so it's not going to be there anymore, but basically you already posted that ad, so you wouldn't need it there anyway. So that's one option. The second option is posting every 10 minutes or every 20 minutes, depending on how much how often you want to do it. I usually do it every 10-20 minutes or whatever. So I put 10 every 10 minutes, and then I click on post all ads. This is going to go to every ad that I have here, and it's going to post it into a sequence. So it's going to post the first one, then after 10 minutes the second one, 10 minutes the third one, and it's going to keep going until it finish posting everything. Now, that's basically the posting section. Here, what you want to do is that after you post a few ads, so you're going to remove them. So here you choose how many ads you want to remove it after. I usually choose 6. So this is like my default posting settings, which basically I will post every 10 minutes, and then after 6 ads, it's going to erase everything. So every hour it's going to post 6 ads, and then it's going to erase everything, and then it's going to post another 6 ads, and then it's going to erase everything. That's why I was saying to have at least 50 or 54 ads here, so you keep posting all day. So if you have 54 ads, if you divide it by 6, you get the number of hours that you will be posting every 10 minutes. Now in Kijiji, the reason we do it this way, it's because in Kijiji, when you post one ad, basically it gets to the second page right away. So second page after 10 minutes. So it's not good for us to be on the second page. So if the ad is on the second page, nobody is seeing it. So that's why we remove them, because we want to post the same ad again. So if you delete the ad, basically this way you are able to post it again. Now I'm not going to go through all this because I already explained you what is going to happen. Basically, whenever you delete the ads, it's going to go to this section. The ads that you're being posting is going to be showing up here. Then basically it's going to do the whole process by itself, so you don't have to worry about it. And basically this is going to be there. Now, as I said, you can change your proxies to be different from depending on which section you want to post. So, for example, if you post on Ottawa, or if you on Ottawa, or if you post on Manitoba or Vancouver, you change your proxy for Vancouver, so like Kijiji cannot track you. And then basically here you have your web browser. So what I'm going to be doing, I already logged in. If I hadn't logged in, I would just clear the cookies and click logged in with my real account, and that is going to go and log in into Kijiji, which as I said, I already did logged in, so I don't have to do it anymore, but I will show you how this works. So now I'm just going to post this ad so you know how the process will go. So I just will click on here on the start posting selected ad, so it's going to post only one ad. So this is going to be clicked, and then there will be a timer that is going to be here on the bottom that is going to show me what I'm doing. So it's navigating to Kijiji right now. It's visiting the posting section for the category that I chose, and then it selects the blue page, and now it's going to fill out the title, the description, and everything else that it needs to be filled out. So now it's filling out the description, then it's going to fill out the address, it's going to add the image. So that's basically downloading the image that I put from the internet, because it downloaded on your computer and then it uploaded again. And now the image is there. Obviously you wouldn't use PNGs because it will show you like that, but if you choose a different image, it will show up properly. And basically here you can see the ad has been created. This is French for that. And basically here you can see the ad, and if you click on here on see more, this is the information, this is the fake number, but there is my website there, so people can go on my website and contact me. And then this ad has been posted. So 58 finished, the ad has been posted, and now the ad is on the removing section here. So I can just click on this just to see it, and basically this is my ad. So that's my ad, and then you can just click here on delete it, and this is going to delete it, accept the deletion, and that is going to remove the ad for me. So that the ad has been removed. So because I did remove it, it's not here anymore. So the ad was removed properly. And basically, that's how it works. So this is the Kijiji posting software. It's posting only on the services right now. I'm going to add support for posting on more sections. And if you have any questions, you can always contact me. I will be happy to help you out. And thank you for watching. Also, as I said, if you go to howtopostingtools.com, you will get all these different modules, and you will be able to post on multiple different platforms like Craigslist, Facebook, Kijiji, Backpage, and YouTube. And also you have some lead generation software and some e-commerce software. So it's a good software. You should get it. Go to postingtools.com. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.